Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into something a lot of people aren't talking about: how to freeze your credit. Freezing your credit with the three major credit bureaus, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion, is a powerful step in protecting your credit. So why should you want to freeze your credit? Well, it's simple. Freezing your credit makes sure that no one can open up any new accounts under your name. It's a very useful tool if you're worried about identity theft or just want an extra peace of mind knowing your credit is secured. Thanks to the consumer protection laws, freezing and unfreezing your credit is completely free. You can do it online with the three major credit bureaus, and it only takes a few minutes. Let me show you how. Let's head over to Equifax. Now you can create an Equifax account if you don't have one, and you just have to verify your identity and choose place a freeze. If you don't have an Equifax account, you will need to create a new one. When your credit is frozen, lenders and creditors can't access your credit report. This stops scammers from opening up new credit cards, loans, or any other financial accounts in your name. Even if someone has your personal information, a credit freeze can prevent them from using it to harm your finances and protects you from identity theft. Next up, we're going to be freezing Experian. You can do the same thing that we did for Equifax and just keep it simple. If you don't have an account, you have to make an account, and I'll leave the link in the description below. Freezing your credit doesn't affect your existing accounts or credit score. Your current credit cards, loans, or bank accounts can continue to work as normal. It's only for when someone tries to open new accounts that the freeze stops them in their tracks from opening up anything in your name. Last but not least, TransUnion. Let's visit the transunion.com/freeze, and I'll put that link in the description as well. And you can just click on Add Freeze, go through the process that we did with Equifax and Experian, create an account, verify your identity. Freezing your credit with all three major credit bureaus take less than 30 minutes, and it gives you a peace of mind knowing that your credit is locked. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell for more tips on personal finance. And if you've got any questions, drop them down below in the comment and I'll be sure to help you out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.